Hi, it's the Everyday Man, back with a video on starting the Masterbuilt smoker grill. It's super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. I love to use Royal Oak lump charcoal. It's the only thing I use in here. And these are the fire starter sticks we're going to use. They come from Masterbuilt and they're the best thing there is. So if you want to see the easiest way to start this thing, watch the video. Hit the like and subscribe if you like what you see, and you'll see more videos about this. All right, so let's get the Masterbuilt started. Let's get this baby started as easy can be. Here's what you got to do. Number one, don't forget this. Pull these out. Line them up like that. Put them right down there. Now you have your airflow open. Next, we want to open the top, and we want to open the bottom. Now in the bottom, you have your ash can, which mine is empty. So it's ready to go. Now, I can't tell you how easy these make starting this. These are Masterbuilt cubes. They're made for this. And it makes it super easy to light. Here's what I do. You know, this box doesn't cost much money, and how many do you get? You get 48 of them, right? It's 48 fires. I'll tell you what I do. It's never failed me. I break these into two. I don't use one of them. I use two of them. The reason is it's longer, and you have to slide it into that channel after we light this. So if it's longer, I think it's going to start better. And I'm telling you, I have never had a problem starting it ever. So let's show you how that goes. All right, so take any kind of lighter you want. I love these. I get them on Amazon in a 3-pack. It's a butane. You can't refill it. Now today it's not windy, so I can just light it like this. And what you want to do is let that get started a little bit. If it's windy out, you can light it inside the hood. I'll open the hood of the grill and light it in there. So I want to get this going really nice, so it's not going to go out, obviously, right? Another thing, because it's two cubes, I can hold it with my fingers. All right, now that took about maybe 20 seconds. It's going good. It's not going to go out. I'm going to slide it in, and I'm going to slide it in with my finger about that far in. So that's way in there now. And it's right in the center of the charcoal. You can give this a little hit just to make sure that charcoal settles down on the grates under there. We're going to let that go for 2 minutes. In the meantime, let's see if we need to add anything. You can see the smoke coming out. We're going to let that go for a couple of minutes. That's all. Maybe 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, let's see what we got going on down here. All right, well, we're pretty far down on charcoal, and you can see I got a wood chunk sitting there that hasn't been used yet. As the charcoal goes down, that wood's going to light. You're going to get smoke with the charcoal right in the main chamber. So we want to put some charcoal in there. You can fill it right up. All right. And I'll tell you what, that's going to last a while. All right, so we got that filled up. You can see we're smoking nicely, right? That double cube is a great tip idea for you. By the way, it's tough to stand out here and smoke without a beautiful fire going at the same time, right? And that's what we got going. So we're going to be enjoying ourselves today, listening or watching a football game, having the fire go, and smoking on the Masterbuilt. Okay, so while this is firing up. The next thing is you can turn it on by pressing the button. Now, we cleaned this in the previous video, so it's perfectly clean. This is the wood I'm using. This is the size of the wood chunks that I put in into the hopper where the charcoal goes. But I'm going to show you another trick. There's another place to put this wood, which will really give you some good smoke flavor. All right, take that chunk of wood and put it. I don't pull it out, but I am for you. Just throw it right in the bottom. Now, as the charcoal is burning, the hot coals are going to drop on that wood in here, and that's going to generate more smoke on top of the smoke that the charcoal's giving you and the little bits we put up top. So this is ready to go. It's got to be 2-3 minutes. So we close this down. Close the top. Look at here, you got to make sure, see that chunk? You don't want that up there. Make sure that that lid's going to close. All right. Lock it down. All right, on the app, I just set the temperature for 225, perfect smoking temperature. I'm going to close the lid. When you're lighting it, it doesn't matter if the hood is open or closed. The hood doesn't affect the fan turning on and off. The only thing that affects the fan is having this lid shut and the bottom clean out door shut. Those two have to be shut. This doesn't matter if it's an open or not. The fan is running. This is the wood I have. It's hickory. That's a very strong wood for pork, which we're cooking today. Unfortunately, it's the only wood I have left. I used up all my apple and all my pecan, so that's okay. It doesn't matter that much. I don't think it matters that much. So we got 4 cube chunks left. I wanted to show you, this is about the size that I buy. I don't use chips, the little bag of chips. That's a waste, I think. And you can put bigger in there if you want. But I buy it like this, and this is the perfect size. All right, so this is working away now. It's going to go up to 225, and it'll stay there. That's what I love about this. Whatever temperature you set it to, it's very, very consistent to stay at that temperature. Okay, so we're all set. We got the grill up to temperature right now. It's at 225 degrees. We're getting ready to put the meat on and start smoking. If you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate it, and you'll get to see more videos like this. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.